say we're divorced? No, I don't think so. But we're not in America.
The courtroom was on edge. Meri had just gone up on the stand, her voice steady but trembling a little. She had waited years for this moment, the ability to speak her truth. But just a few minutes into her testimony, something went terribly wrong. The judge stopped her. "Mrs. Brown, that is enough," he said, raising his hand. The whole courtroom stilled. Even the lawyers were speechless. Was she about to reveal something incriminating, or had the court already heard enough? Let's rewind. For years, Meri stayed silent. While the world watched Kody and Robyn take center stage, Meri quietly endured the rejection, the isolation, the cold shoulders. But today was supposed to be her moment. Meri's legal team had prepared a full statement, her version of what really happened behind closed doors, the manipulation, the financial control, the promises never kept. But as soon as she started to tell of a pivotal moment in 2018, a discussion of money Robyn had supposedly stashed, the judge leaned forward, his face altered, and that is when he uttered the words, "Mrs. Brown, that has already been decided by this court. Please proceed." Meri hesitated. She looked at her attorney. You could see she was ready to rumble. But she sat. The room was silent, speaking volumes. Meri was not being muzzled, she was being redirected. Because what came next was the real blow. The judge opened a file. Inside was a document no one had seen yet, a financial audit dated 2 months earlier. It detailed exactly how shared funds were allocated and how Robyn and Kody had diverted over $190,000 into a private holding account. The document listed account numbers, transfer dates, and emails. Meri's name, nowhere to be found. Christine not listed. Janelle, ignored completely. All indicators led to one truth. The money wasn't merely mismanaged, it was concealed. And the judge made that amply clear. He gazed straight at Kody, then Robyn, and lastly, at Meri. "What you tried to explain," he said, "has now been established by this report. Your words were silenced, Mrs. Brown, not because they were inaccurate, but because the truth already speaks for itself." And then came the blow. The court ruled the funds misappropriated, the account suspended, and Robyn and Kody were ordered to pay back the money. In total, the courtroom gasped. Meri looked down, not sad, not angry, just relieved. This wasn't about money, after all. It was about validation. For years, she had been characterized as the bitter one, the outsider, the problem. But now, in front of a judge, the record was corrected. The judge even added, "Actions outlined here are a violation of financial trust. This is no longer a family issue. It is legal." Outside the courthouse, reporters converged. But Meri didn't pause to comment. She proceeded to the car, cradling a small folder in front of her chest. Inside,